Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: power, connection, and app access. Once the scanner shows ready, place the document face down on the glass or into the ADF and align it to the guides. Open your scanning application on the PC or device, select the scanner model, and set resolution to 300 dpi for general use. Make sure to choose color or grayscale depending on purpose, because that affects file size and legibility. Begin with a single test scan to verify framing and settings before batch scanning. Once done with the test, configure detailed options so you do not rescan later. Choose PDF for multi-page documents or JPEG/TIFF for photos, and set color or grayscale as needed. Enable OCR if you want searchable text. Choose language and accuracy versus speed. Preview the scan, crop margins, and rotate pages if necessary. When satisfied, start single or batch scanning. Make sure to monitor ADF feeding during batches to prevent jams, and name files consistently for easy retrieval. After scanning, save files to your chosen folder or cloud location using clear file names and optional metadata so you can find them later. Verify image quality and OCR accuracy. If text is garbled or pages are blurred, rescan those pages with higher DPI or cleaner glass. If problems persist, troubleshoot. Check cables and network, reinstall or update drivers, clear paper jams, and restart the scanner and app. One key tip: clean the glass and ADF rollers regularly to prevent streaks and misfeeds.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.